The stock market, your gateway to financial growth. Have you ever wanted to be a part owner of a large company? The stock market lets you do just that. It's not just for financial experts. It's a powerful tool for anyone to grow their wealth. By understanding the stock market, you take control of your financial future. The stock market impacts all of us, even if we don't directly invest in it. When the stock market is doing well, companies can grow and hire more people. This boosts the economy. When the market is down, businesses might struggle, and it can affect jobs and spending. Learning about the stock market might seem intimidating at first, but it doesn't have to be. It's like learning a new game. Once you know the rules and strategies, you can play with confidence. So are you ready to unlock the potential of the stock market? Let's dive in. Owning a piece of the pie. What are stocks? Imagine a large company like your favorite online store or restaurant chain. This company is divided into millions of pieces, like slices of a giant pie. Each slice is a share of stock. When you buy stock in a company, you are buying a tiny piece of ownership. You become a shareholder, which means you own a small part of that business. Companies sell shares of stock to raise money. They use this money to grow their business, develop new products, or expand into new markets. As a shareholder, you can benefit from the company's success. If the company does well and its value increases, the value of your stock also goes up. You can then sell your shares for a profit. The players in the game who makes the market move. The stock market is like a bustling marketplace with different players coming together to buy and sell. Let's meet the key participants. First, there are investors, people like you and me who buy and sell stocks. Investors can be individuals saving for retirement, families investing for their children's education, or even large institutions managing money for others. Then there are the companies themselves. They are the ones issuing the stock in the first place. Companies need money to grow, and they get it by offering shares of their ownership to the public. Connecting these two are the intermediaries, the brokers and stock exchanges. Brokers are like the real estate agents of the stock market, helping investors buy and sell shares. Stock exchanges are like online platforms where buyers and sellers meet and trades are executed. Section 4, Buying and Selling, How Stocks Change Hands. So, how do you actually buy or sell a stock? It's easier than you might think. First, you need to open an account with a brokerage firm. These days, this can be done easily online. Once your account is set up, you can research different companies and decide which stocks you want to buy. When you're ready to buy, you place an order through your broker. This order specifies the company, the number of shares, and the price you're willing to pay. The broker then sends your order to the stock exchange where it is matched with a seller. Technology has revolutionized how we trade stocks. Gone are the days of frantic phone calls and hand signals on a crowded trading floor. With online platforms and trading apps, you can buy and sell stocks with a few clicks on your computer or smartphone. Section 5, The Price is Right. Factors influencing stock values. Have you ever wondered why stock prices go up and down? It's like a fascinating puzzle with many pieces. The most important factor is the company's performance. If a company is making a lot of money, its stock price is likely to go up. On the other hand, if a company is struggling, its stock price might fall. Market sentiment also plays a role. Positive news can boost stock prices, while negative news can send them tumbling. The overall economy matters too. When the economy is strong, stock prices tend to rise. But during downturns, stock prices often fall. Section 6, Risks and Rewards. The two sides of stock market investing. The stock market offers significant rewards, but there are also risks involved. The biggest reward is growing your money faster than traditional savings. Investing in a successful company can increase your investment value substantially. This builds long-term wealth. However, stock prices can decline. If the company faces challenges or the market declines, you could lose money. Be prepared for volatility and invest only what you can afford to lose. The stock market is best for long-term goals like retirement. Do your research, understand your risk tolerance, and consider your financial goals. Section 7. Keep learning, keep growing. Your journey to financial literacy. Congratulations. You've just taken the first steps towards understanding the stock market. Remember, this is just the beginning of your financial journey. The more you learn about investing, the more confident you'll become in making decisions that are right for you. There are countless resources available to help you deepen your knowledge, from books and websites to financial advisors and educational courses. Don't be afraid to ask questions, seek guidance, and learn from experienced investors. Investing is a lifelong journey of learning and growth. Now that you have a basic understanding of the stock market, what are your thoughts? Are you excited about the potential? What questions do you still have? Share your comments below and let's continue this conversation.